Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Keenan and Mr. Coda's Reading Time. We're so glad that you could join us, and we're excited because it is the spooky season. October is upon us, or whenever you're watching this, the time is upon us for spooky season. So tonight, we're reading You're My Little Baby Boo, illustrated by Natalie Marshall. Natalie, not Natalie. Natalie. You're my little baby boo. You never need to fear. Whatever fright comes in the night, I'll always be right here. You're my little spooky owl, and you were born to fly. My heart soars among the stars, and you're the reason why. Mike Bump. You're my perfect pumpkin. You're such a pretty sight. Under the full moon and stars, your cute smile shines bright. He's getting a little restless. You're my darling candy corn, so tiny but so sweet. Although life can get tricky, loving you is such a treat. You're welcome. You're my special sparkling moon, snug in the midnight sky. Now let's drift off to dreamland as I sing you a lullaby. Okay, that was the end. There's a lot of hand movement and a lot of microphone bumping, and I'm sure of it because he's very restless. So we're just going to go ahead and get this belly straight to bed. Thank you, everyone, and we will see you later.